Welcome back to Lindsay. Rode that Wacky Worm. My first and probably last. I was kind of tight. That was probably a little too tight for me. I'm nearly 6 foot, so yeah, that's probably a little too tight for me. But yeah, I didn't expect this fair to be here. I saw the ads when I came into town. I'm like, oh, I've got to cover that. I looked at the website, and yet I've got to cover this. There are 3 coasters. There was that one, a Wild Mouse I saw when I first came in, and there should be another Zyklon type thing here too. But it's the Wacky Worm surgery, most everything else I've seen has been €5. As soon as I can just kind of go to my cash, I'm probably going to get maybe another 20 or 40. It's everything I want at least once. But I might just sacrifice a few things like the fun house. Because I'm rocking up to the Starflyer that's here. And I think I meant to get on and expect to start, but that was a good ride on the Starflyer there. It's fun to make myself laugh. But I found this little Mayans, the Montréal des Îles. I don't know what it means, but there's that beer garden right there, Wipeout, food, and arcade stuff down here as well. I did ride 2 rides versus some of this stuff, so I'm gonna give this one a miss. Between that thing went Mach 1, I would have believed you. One of those high, if the Canolas gets one of those high-speed moments like that one, I'm gonna have to go back to that. I'm gonna go to Knoebels twice a year. At least I'll try. I thought the one in Little America was the last one. Guess I should probably torture myself. The first film I've got me, but that's about it. Not half bad. Pretty smooth. Maybe one a little America a bit rougher around the edges, but yeah, it's like if I was probably too tall to ride Euromir, I'd probably be too tall to ride this. Delivered some decent airtime. I can't believe like 4 out of 5 moments. Strong airtime pops. Seriously, ejector on this thing. Best Wild Mouse I've ever ridden. Maybe. Just maybe. So this is where it starts. This is actually Mando Peak on the outside, but maybe it's up or down, because you're going like 90 degrees sideways. That thing is crazy. I thought I was going to suffocate in there for a second, but it's fine. I fell off the thing. That was only like 7 minutes on there. If you come across a Tagada, at least if it's your first one, just go for it. It'd be funny, there's more people on there than just a bunch of people around my age. But it's even funnier that I don't even understand a word he's saying. That thing had an actor in there. And it's suspended. So that's how you do that, it's suspended. You don't see my suspended dark rides on the circuit, at least from what I've seen, but that thing had an actor in there. That scared me hard. I haven't been that scared ever. Like, I don't feel like fear or excitement. I really don't feel much emotion on these things anymore. But that, I'm probably not gonna sleep all night after what I saw in there. Oh, another awesome spot right here. Magic. I know Morelia's have one of these, but they had to take it out. I believe they replaced it with the new spinning right thing. It's kind of like that thing right there. But yeah, there is a Tagada here, and you know, those things are banned in America. So I think I need to check it out. have one of these 3 hours away from me. But, you know, it's working on this hour right now in Spain, 9 o'clock. So, you know, I should try, I saw a beignet, I might as well try them in France. Got some chocolate in it. Should have been like a bread bun. Should have been a bit more like pastry taste to it. Almost like a donut, but this is what they just put like a burger bun and then you put sugar on it. And then you put chocolate in the middle instead of, you know, burger stuff. What do they mean by king? Like Elvis? Well, I just had a great night at the Foire de Nancy. It's got some, you know, ambiance footage for, you know, the credits, but yeah, 3 new credits. First Wacky Worm, first Toboggan. You know, I still might give Little Mary a chance if I do end up going that way at some point. And then a wild mouse, just being a wild mouse. A good wild mouse at that. Maybe the best one. At least the best one I've ridden. Definitely, probably in the upper quartile in the world, probably. A few other firsts in the flat category. Yeah, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with the museum plans. I'm still gonna do that. I don't know if I'll just tack it onto the next travel vlog. It's depending on how much I have. For like, I might not want to do much with it. Or, you know, did the train and the hotel stuff. Both for the things at tonight with breakfast and final review. Then checking into the place in Lyon. You know, my phone's kind of a low battery anyway here, so it probably wouldn't have been a good idea to deal with the things I was thinking about while prepping up the travel vlog from today. So, yeah. Call it a night, and until next time, comment, like, subscribe, and strike the bell. Buenas noches, buena suerte. Hasta luego.